Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to mass produce some cards using the Rockabye Baby stamp set from Dare2BArtzy. Now this stamp set is mostly geared towards something you would give to someone for having a baby, for a baby shower or a gift for that, or just congratulations, that sort of thing. What I'm actually going to do is do some mass producing using all these little extra images in there. There are some stars and some flowers, and I'm just stamping and die cutting a bunch of those guys out, plus some more sentiments as well. Now, Dare2BArtzy is a somewhat new to me company, so I don't use their stuff that often, but I am super excited to be using this pack and wanted to let you know that they are going to be one of the sponsors in the upcoming Card Maker Success Summit, which I'm lucky enough to be one of the speakers at. So you'll want to check that out. Like I said, they're one of the sponsors, so there's going to be some giveaways. In addition to all of those stars and flowers, there are also some package images that are good for coloring up. I stamped a bunch of those out on some pattern paper, and I'm coloring them with some Spectrum Noir markers, as well as a white gel pen. Next, I'm die cutting out each of those little images. What I'm basically doing is creating a stockpile of all of these images so that I've got some pieces ready to go when I'm ready to make some cards. Pattern papers are sometimes a little thin, so I also cut out a bunch of extras in white cardstock of all of those little images so that I can basically put an extra piece on the back, kind of give them a little bit more sturdiness on my cards. After all of the packages, I went back to all of those little stars and flowers and the sentiments. I'm cutting all of those out, so you can kind of see the pattern here. I am creating a bunch of little ephemera to go on cards. This pack of pattern paper has been in my stash for quite a while, and you can see I've never even opened it. This is a pack that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. So I'm picking out just a piece of cardstock to use for that. Actually, this is paper, not cardstock. This is very thin. So I'm just going to pick out a piece of pattern paper to use as my backgrounds. Actually, I picked out two contrasting patterns, and I'm just going to lay one down as a main background panel and then using a strip of the other to kind of be as an accent piece. On this first card, I went and popped that up on some foam tape, but I think on the rest of them, I'm going to just lay them down flat. I'm going ahead and adhering that one down, and then I'm going to go ahead and just add the little bits to give it a little bit more of a festive feel. Next, because I love my bling, I'm pulling out some of these pastel gems from Hobby Lobby and adding a scattering of those across the card too. I made a couple of cards and then I'm bagging up all the extras, so now I've got a little mini card kit ready to go next time I need any kind of a celebration card. Using pattern paper is sometimes difficult in our card making, so you'll want to check out this playlist over here for some more inspiration. Thank you so much for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too. Talk to you later.